What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel Design and Display. The Infinix Hot 20i is likely to feature a modern and sleek design with a touchscreen display. The display size may vary lot, but it's typically around 6.5 to 6.7 inches. Performance: the mobile is expected to be powered by a mid-range or budget-friendly chipset, possible from media tasks to provide decent performance for everyday tasks. Computer system: the camera setup may include a primary rear camera along with additional lens for features like ultra-wide angle, micro and depth sensing. The front camera is likely to be suitable for selfies and video calls. Battery: a moderate rate to the large capacity battery is expected, typically around 4000 to 5000 mAh or more than to provide extended usage time. Operating system: the phone would run on the Android operating system like with a custom Infinix user interface UI on top. Storage and RAM: it may come with multiple configuration by amount of RAM and internal storage 64 GB and 128 GB. Connectivity: common connectivity options such as 4G, LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and GPS are expected. Security: the Infinix Hot 20i would feature a fingerprint sensor feature on the back to integrate it into the power button. For secure unlocking, face recognition may also be available. Additional features: depending on the model and region, it may include features like a dedicated micro USB slot for expandable storage, 3.5mm earphone jack and dual SIM card port. Visit the official Infinix website. The official Infinix website is a reliable source for detailed information about their products, included the Infinix Hot 20i. Then often provide specification, features, pricing and other relevant details. Tech news and reviews: technology news website and smartphone review platform are excellent source for in-depth information and reviews for the latest smartphone. Popular tech news sites and YouTube channels offer review and discuss newly released device. Visit retailers' websites. Online retailers that sell smartphones often provide comprehensive information about the products they have in stock. You may can websites like Amazon, Flipkart or social retailers for product listing and specifications. Contact Infinix support if you have specific question or needed clarification about a particular feature for the Infinix Hot 20i. Consider research out to the Infinix customer support for assistance. Check social media and social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook and text can also be sources of information and user experience with the Infinix Hot 20i. People often share their through experience and on their platform. Tech blogs and YouTube reviews: technology bloggers and YouTube reviewers often provide detailed insight and hand-on experience with smartphones. Searching of Infinix Hot 20i review on platforms like YouTube can be informative. Thanks for watching.